Oh, yeah.
Did anything at school happen today?
No.
Did the fire alarm go off?
Oh God.
Did you pull the fire alarm? Yep.
That's why it went off.
Kade, did you pull the fire alarm?
Oh my God.
Are you supposed to pull the fire alarm? Did you get in trouble?
No.
Yes, you did. No, you cannot be sorry. You can't be sorry. You don't pull that fire alarm.
Did the fire thing come up?
The police, the fire trucks, the whole 9 yards. Did y'all get evacuated?
Yeah. But we were at the recess of time. But all the other classes came outside.
So, did you pull the fire alarm? Huh? It wasn't Ruth. No. Are we going to pull that fire alarm again? No, we're not going to pull it anymore. You keep your hands off that fire alarm. Yes, ma'am? You sorry, Mom.